U.S. House votes to sanction International Criminal Court over Israel investigations, in a significant move that underscores the strength of U.S.-Israel relations and reflects the prevailing political climate under the Republican majority. The U.S. House of Representatives has passed a bill that would impose sanctions on the International Criminal Court, ICC. The bill, known as the Illegitimate Court Counteraction Act, was passed with a vote of 243 to 140, showcasing substantial bipartisan support, with 45 Democrats voting in favor alongside 198 Republicans. The legislation was introduced in response to the ICC's decision to issue arrest warrants against Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, accusing them of war crimes and crimes against humanity related to the ongoing conflict in Gaza. This legislative action intends to sanction any foreign individuals involved in investigating, arresting, detaining, or prosecuting U.S. citizens or citizens of allied nations, including Israel, which have not agreed to the ICC's jurisdiction. It enables the U.S. administration to enforce asset freezes and deny visas to those who might act against U.S. or allied interests under the ICC's directives. The bill's passage is one of the first major actions by the new Congress, signaling strong support for Israel's government from President-elect Donald Trump's fellow Republicans, who now control both chambers of Congress. Trump, gearing up for his inauguration on January 20th for a second term, has evidently maintained and perhaps strengthened his pro-Israel stance, which was evident during his first tenure. The ICC, based in The Hague, Netherlands, retains the authority to prosecute individuals for severe international crimes, including war crimes and genocide in its member states or by nationals of those states. However, the issuance of arrest warrants for Israeli officials has stirred significant controversy, highlighting the global debate about the role and reach of international justice mechanisms. Representative Brian Mast, Republican chair of the House Foreign Affairs Committee, criticized the ICC's actions as biased and unjust during his speech in the House, labeling the court as a kangaroo court and accusing it of anti-Semitism. He emphasized that the bill sends a robust message against the perceived unjust international prosecution of allied nationals. The passing of this bill not only reflects ongoing geopolitical tensions, but also opens up a broader dialogue on international law, sovereignty, and the complex dynamics between national interests and global judicial accountability. While the bill still requires approval from the Senate and a presidential signature to become law, the Senate's newly appointed Republican Majority Leader John Thune has expressed intentions for swift action, indicating a likely alignment with the House's stance. As this bill progresses, it will undoubtedly evoke diverse reactions from the international community, legal experts, and human rights organizations, all of whom will be watching closely, as these developments could have profound implications for international judicial practices and diplomatic relations. Thank you for choosing Satori News.